This is so beautiful. We got up here pretty quick.
Yeah, we did.
There goes Alana. Sorry. You guys.
We're doing this for 10.
Yeah. Alana and I are out hiking at the Chola Trail at Camelback Mountain. It is a beautiful morning, y'all. It's 9:55 a.m. It's hot. It's beautiful. We've made it quite far thus far, and we still got ways to go. Oh, God is amazing, y'all. Look at this beautiful view. Oh, my goodness. We've only hiked 1.23 miles, but it's just so beautiful. Alana's sitting down, taking a break. I refuse to sit down because if I sit down, I don't know if I'm going to get back up. So, but this is how much more we have to go. We're doing great, though. Okay, we made it to the bottom. We made it to the top. I didn't get to record, y'all. We was out of breath. But we made it to the bottom. Thank the Lord. Now we're about to walk to the car, find us a cafe. We can get a cold. What is it that you drink, Alana?
A chai latte.
She's gonna get a chai latte, and I'm gonna get an iced matcha latte. We did it, y'all. What's up, y'all? So it's many hours later, but I'm just checking in. Sorry, I'm trying to get this tripod together. I'm just checking in with y'all. We just got back from having lunch at that same sushi spot I told y'all that we went to a couple of days ago. It was delicious. Once again, it's called Bluefish. But yeah, it was fire. It was fire. We took my brother and my mom this time, so it was really, really good. I had a sangria spritz again, and that was good. That's really why I went. I ain't gonna even lie. That's really why I wanted to go. So I'm feeling really good. I just finished creating some content, taking some pictures, and then I just got the ick. I got the ick with myself while I was taking the pictures, and I was like, okay, I'm done. But I'm glad that I took a lot of them before I got the ick. So let's normalize that. But yeah, it is currently 3:55. I am about to prepare for my one-on-one with one of my students. So looking forward to that. And then I'm just going to chill outside this evening. Well, chill outside afterwards, I should say. My nephew's about to get in the pool, so I'm glad that I'll have a good view of watching him from my room. See? So I'll be able to see him while he's swimming with his parents. But I think later on we're going to go to like a hookah lounge or something. I don't know. So I'll look forward to that. But other than that, y'all, as far as work, the only thing I have left to do today is the one-on-one. So I'm looking forward to catching up with my students, seeing the and giving her recognition and praise for the progress she's been making on social media, because I have been paying attention. I'm very proud of her. And yeah. So I'll chat with y'all soon.